Hello, welcome everybody. It's Will and Jeremy, welcome to my channel. So this will be a completely brand new series. I'm so excited to share with you guys. So I'm going to share with you, let me just get rid of this. This is my room, right? Let me just quickly get it down. Right. So this series is about another form of digital art. So we're going to use photography as a medium, and whether you own a phone or whether you own a camera, doesn't really matter, but we're going to shoot from real life, and after we get that original image, we're going to processing it and then add 2D art as well as 3D modeling. And we're going to try to experiment a little bit to combine all this together to create a form of new digital art. And so it's not just about photography. It's not just about drawing or modeling, but combine these two and maybe make animation out from it. I'm not sure, right? I just want to experiment. So yeah, welcome to a new series of using photography and videography as kind of medium to create digital art. Okay, who am I? I'm Will and Jeremy, and I got unemployed just a few years ago, and I started this channel. Instead of finding a job, I say, hey, I always want to learn digital art, or I always want to create art, and why not just create it from scratch and learn it from scratch? I've never trained into art, got to art school. I don't have that amount of money, so I just learn from scratch and record my learning process, and then thus create this channel and share my just completely honest journey with you guys. Okay, so you're watching a series of video of how to use photography as a videography as a form of art, and since I know nothing about this, so I'm going to create a introduction series to share what I learned and my creative process. Okay, and if you're a beginner, or if you just want to learn photography or videography, I'm sure there are better ways to learn. But if you a little bit interested in my process, because I personally think that I'm a quick learner, so I will spend a few days learn a specific thing, and I will just make one video, just a few minutes to share with you guys, so it may save you guys a little bit of time. And the advantage of watching this video is that I will share this from a beginner's perspective, so you guys can learn things quickly and hopefully much easier for you to understand. And what's more, it's not just about photography, because I work as a programmer, and I work as a digital artist, so this will be a programmer / digital artist perspective about how to approach videography and photography. So when you're not just about pure professional taking photo processing it, because I'm poor, I'm an artist, right? I'm poor, I don't have that kind of gear. Okay, so if you're poor like me, you don't have that kind of high-end gear. I bought this a few years ago. Don't have second-handed. It's Canon 70 EOS 70D. Okay, and I don't have a lot of lenses. Hopefully, if I make some money, I will update it. But right now, I just use whatever I have. If you want to follow this, you can even use your iPhone, something like that. Or if you don't have an iPhone, that's completely okay. You can use just grab the basic knowledge, and then you can work from there. Okay, so yeah, I know everything is unscripted. That's kind of my style. So I just want to be honest. If it's scripted, it's kind of not honest with you guys. So yeah, so hopefully this you enjoyed this video. If you don't enjoy, just leave in a comment. Okay, just let me know. Give me some kind of feedback. Okay, thanks. And yeah, thanks. Bye.